Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we are going to be unboxing the new VEATOOL T98 earbuds. It says exceptional acoustics. This one actually is very exciting because it has hi-fi sound, mini ear hook, and they're very small. They have IPX8 waterproof, which I will be testing in this video. They also have wireless charging, a digital display, and a multicolor fashion. 2 earbuds, 3 mini ear hooks. It has a 500 milliamp case, 3 silicone tips, Type-C charging, and a user manual. Open it now. Very nice presentation. On top we have the VEATOOL. Oh dang. Okay, they upgraded their packaging for sure. Right here we have the VEATOOL True Wireless Earbuds. I like seeing a company like this grow over time. I've been with them for a very long time, and it's just very cool to be able to see that. So here's the user manual. You have tons of different information on the back right here. Just 6 hours about, it looks, 40 milliamps each capacity for earbud, 50 hour standby time. It takes about an hour to charge the earbuds, an hour and a half to charge the case. This has Bluetooth 5.1 and a 10-meter distance. So yeah, that's really nice. Right here we have the earbuds themselves. And this is a very small case. If these sound good, then these will be my new main, because these are so small. Very compact. Right here we have the little charging port for the Type-C. So this probably, I'm not sure if the case is also waterproof, but it has water resistant somewhat. We're gonna get into these earbuds real quick. Oh yeah, dang, they upgraded the packaging crazy. It's actually very impressive. So right here we have the small, medium, and large earbud silicone tips. On the bottom we have the accessories. USB-A to Type-C charging cable. And then here, it looks like we have some wingtips. Yeah, ear hooks. Oh nice. Dang, there's a lot of variety. So you have red ear hooks, a neon greenish, and then you have a black pair. And then black is already pre-applied. So this is cool. This will help definitely with comfort. I like that they come with different colors as well. Definitely really cool. So amazing packaging. I'm very, 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 very impressed. Whew, I'm excited. Whew, okay. These look so good. I don't want them to be disappointing. These just look so good. You got left and right indicators with the charging, 97% for the case. This is nice. On the top you have caution, after using the headset, please clean it before putting it in the charging box for, better charging capabilities. And then you have the right, this is a 3-prong device. Magnetic is really good. I think these have small earbud tips on them, not too sure. But the ear hooks are on here and you can change them like I said. Yeah, left and right indicators on both earbuds. And then these are physical buttons, I believe. Yep, these are physical buttons. So this looks so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and pair these. All you have to do is put them in the case, open up the case, and they will pop up as T98, and that's literally it. The easiest pairing method in the entire world, thanks to Bluetooth 5.1. So now they're connected. Now you don't have to do that ever again. All you have to do is just open it, put them in your ears, and you're good. To turn them off, you have 2 ways. You can either put them in the case, close the lid, or you can turn them off manually if the case isn't around, I guess. You just hold the button on both earbuds for about 5 seconds. So let's go and get into it. So right here you have a pause. So just press it once on either earbud to play or pause. Double tap the right earbud to increase volume. Double tap the left earbud to decrease volume. Triple tap to activate the assistant on either earbud. And triple tap to cancel it. Right earbud for 2 seconds to skip. Long press on the left earbud to rewind. Cool. These are very lightweight and good for running as well because of the ear hooks. So let's go ahead and test out the sound quality right now. And they very, very comfortable. Not even being biased here. We're gonna go ahead and put a song on real quick. And so far, I'm very impressed. Dang. Oh my gosh, it's game over. It is game over. These are the king. Oh my gosh. These have like all the features you want in a pair of earbuds. I'm gonna test out the wireless charging right now. That is insane. I'm gonna try to hopefully promote this like crazy because it definitely deserves it. Check this out. I keep saying definitely a lot, but this is amazing. Like, you have indicators here, you have wireless charging, IPX8, waterproof. Look at this. Let's see if this works. Oh, see that? Blue means it's charging, and it is charging. Just right there. Yep, it's charging both earbuds and the case itself. This is a game changer. This is very comparable to the all-white earbuds, which are basically the same price. Honestly, I like these ones better because these have a stem. They have IPX4, these have IPX8, these have 5.1. Both have wireless charging. These have an indicator here. These are way more comfortable, more lightweight. I hate the pencil style, but it's whatever. These have a nice ergonomic shape, but like in terms of everything, this is just up to date. This has micro USB, this has Type C, and I just looked at the user manual. This has a somewhat waterproof seal, so it is good for waterproof, which is cool. Or some type of waterproof, you know. The 500 milliamp capacity, this one has a 300 milliamp capacity. These are like my favorite earbuds too, and these just blew them out of the water. I need to check the price real quick because this is just insane. They got presentation down, they got wireless charging. You just pop it up right there, you're good to go. You have several ear tips as well. That's insane. I'm gonna go ahead and try that ear tips out right now. Just like press it in. Gone red. And this is black. We're gonna test out I'm just gonna call it like a neon green, because most of you guys know I'm a very honest reviewer. If something's garbage, I will bash on it. If something's good, then I'll let you guys know. It's mainly to tell the company, hey, you guys gotta upgrade. And they did. Like, look at this. This looks so nice. How clean it looks. Both of them actually look really good. I'm gonna probably be sticking with the red, or maybe the black, but all the colors look so good. Even if you lose them, you have other options here. You have just a flat look, so help with sweat and everything. But there it is. This is the red version, which actually looks even cleaner than the other one, but they still look really good. But just look at this. I've never seen a more gorgeous pair of earbuds. I've reviewed probably 20 pairs of earbuds, and a lot of them are not as good as this. I have AirPods. I've tried AirPod Pros. AirPod Pros are good, but they are having bass issues, especially right now. These are just amazing. They have like a nice, I don't know if they have active noise cancellation, but they definitely have a really, really good noise isolation for sure. One of the best noise isolations I've tried in a very long time. So very small package, handheld, really quick to pair, 5.1, Bluetooth,